Hey YouTube, Untamed here. So today I'm going to give you guys some height measurements of my lifted Toyota 4Runner TRD Pro. It has a Westcott Designs lift kit as well as some 285 BFGoodrich KO2s. The specific size of the tires are 285 70/17s. Again, with a Westcott Designs perch lift on it. So overall, the overall height, as you can see, it is super snug in here. I lucked out because it is literally within a couple inches of hitting on its way in. And the back of the roof rack is slightly taller as it's going in because the back of the vehicle is slightly taller too, so it's even more snug on its way in. Okay, so I'm gonna give you the measurements. Okay, so first up, from the ground through the center cap up to the fender line. So from the ground to this point here, it is 37 7/8. So just under 38 inches from the ground to the center of the fender, okay? From the center cap, the center of the raised center cap here, to that same exact spot on the fender, we're looking at 23 inches exactly. Out back, it's a little different, so it's a little bit higher up back. Not by much, but from the ground to the top center of the fender, it is 39 inches, with it being 23 7/8 from the center cap to the center of the fender there. So 39 inches, then 23 7/8. This is where it gets tricky. The overall height of the vehicle, so without the roof rack included, so just to the roof line before the roof rack, because I know some people often consider swapping out the roof rack for like a Westcott Designs or a different type, like a Prinsu. That is 73.5. So 73.5 inches to the roof line. It is 81.5, actually maybe 81.25 to the very top of the roof rack there. So with the garage door being exactly 83 inches, so just 1 inch shy of 7 foot. So pretty standard size garage door here.